Are you looking for the best wooden kitchen utensils? Well, we've got these right here. Figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking up that over for me right there. So it comes in this nice little bag right here. So if you needed to bring them with you, maybe like camping in an RV or something like that, this would be perfect for that. It's got this little drawstring thing right here, so we can open that on up. And then this is the first. Oh, that's really cool. So you got a nice hole in the middle of this spoon right here. But another thing that I'm noticing is that it's rounded on this side, but it comes to this nice point right here. And that's great for if you're like scraping up against your pot, you'd be able to get all the way down into the corner of it. That is super cool. And if you need to drain all the liquid out of, whatever you're cooking off of the spoon, that way you just have like a solid piece of meat or just, some vegetables or whatever, that'll do that through this big hole right there. So that's super cool. I like that. Got a nice feel to it as well. It's all solid wood right there. Loving it. Let's see, what's next? It's a 5-piece set. Okay, we got a double doer right here. This is our double doer. It comes nice and tied up right there. We're going to need that Mike Vance knife right there so we can get through to those bad boys. Let's see, I'm just going to slice and dice on through. I guess this is a raffia, maybe. So this is going to be for, I would assume, like serving, like salad type stuff. So you have the big fork side right here, and then this one's a nice big spoon side right there. So you can easily use both to be able to, scoop out lettuce and salad stuffed into your plate. Nice design. I really like the bulbous handle right here as well. It goes a little bit thinner, and then of course you have the nice big area to be able to grab all the salad or whatever you're trying to serve in there. So it feels comfortable in the hand. Again, it's got that nice good wood, smooth wood all the way up and down it. And it's got a really cool like design to it. I know it's just like whatever the tree, how the tree is made, but it looks really, really cool on this particular one right here. So I like that. What else we got? Next. Okay, guys, this is like a paddle style, but it comes to a point. So I'm assuming that's for like breaking stuff up because it's going to be this kind of trapezoid shape right here. And so you'll be able to get into whatever it is. And then as you press down on it, it'll give it enough room to be able to break open to the side right there. Nice and flat all the way across the top and the bottom right there. You got a little bit of a swoop down right here. And then again, that nice comfortable handle right there. So super cool. You'd easily like break up some ground beef. Like if you're making tacos, you got the frozen meat right there and you're trying to, make a quick meal. This would be a great one for like, you brown a little bit, scrape it off, flip it over, scrape that off, flip it over, scrape that off. And then whenever it gets thin enough, because enough heat's gotten to it, you can start breaking it up with this. So super cool. Last but not least, besides the bag that they give you, is... Okay, so this is just your spoon, but without the hole in the middle. So if you do want all the liquid juiciness that you cooked, you have that. I really like this little edge piece right here because sometimes getting into those corners of the pans is some of the hardest things to do. And with this, it just gives you that extra little edge to be able to get that out. So I like that. Again, nice fit and finish right here as well. Let me see what this says right here. Servings, they're 12 inches. Mediterranean olive wood is what they're made out of. It's professional, handmade, and all natural. They recommend that you hand wash it only, and it's made in Tunisia. So, super cool. If y'all are looking for an excellent wooden utensil set for cooking, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. These look fantastic. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. I believe that they make a few other sets as well. So if you want to see everything that they have, definitely go and check out the product listing below. And they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the thing that's going to be the best for you. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And Dad out.